So guys, welcome back. It's the Hearn Circle Life channel today. I'm with my mate Steve and we're at the Battle of Britain air show. I'm going to show you everything. Enjoy, remember, like and subscribe to everything, and here we go again. So guys, basically we've just parked in there, we've come through now and we're just waiting to go through the tent here, and also I'll show you bits and stuff when I can. And also you got Steve here as we're waiting, you got the bits over here, so here we go. So I don't know if you can see in the distance guys, we have a hurricane just over here. We just have to move around. So hopefully you can see it okay. So guys, we've just come through obviously the ticket office. As you come around, you've got Portaloos, you've got the Civil, Nuclear, Canterbury, all sorts in the distance. You've got all the toys here, so we're going to pan around, have a good look, and as I said, if you haven't already, remember to like, subscribe to the channel. So as you see guys, we have plenty of the stalls, all to do with the Royal Navy. Guys might give us a little wave. All the different stalls. Morning sir, how are you? Got all the different stuff, simulators, fairground rides, and obviously this here must be where the aircraft take off. All these Spitfires, lovely. Watches, you're very welcome. Red hours supply. All different bits with the ducks. I don't understand what the duck bit means. I don't know if Steve knows about that.
What's that, mate?
What the old ducks mean.
The ducks? Where?
Obviously on the front of the...
Oh right. They're helicopters.
Yeah, I don't know what the ducks mean.
I don't want to.
Maybe we can find out shortly. Just come around the corner. You have the burger house, hot dogs, fries, drinks, coffee place, lattice, all the rest of it. You've got more stalls as we come all the way down here, but I think me and Steve are going to have a bite to eat first. Yeah guys, Steve just pointed out to me here that this is known as a Sally B.
B-17.
A B.
And the Dam Busters.
Oh, that's the Dam Busters. I did a little thing for Steve because he does his old building the aircraft jobs, and I did his like little voiceover things, the old style, more look. Very good. It's got all the other different photos.
Yes, which company?
HKC, yeah.
And obviously this is known as the Ace of Hyde Gallery, so it's the gentleman does it. So we're going to have something here in a minute with the burger house. It looks like it's about between £6 and £9. So first impression, not too bad, not too expensive. As I said to you before, hopefully you like all the content. Remember to like and subscribe, give us a little thumbs up, hit the notification bell next time I do a video, and everything's all good. Appreciate everybody. So here you go guys, you got all the different aircrafts over here. Zoom in just a little bit.
I got another shout out, Ben Wilson. Ben Wilson, now congratulations, because I'm told Ben Wilson has just got engaged. Goodness me. Who said don't do it?
We found the bar.
Bar's over there somewhere, have you noticed? So this is Steve's second time, or third time, I'm not sure. Second time, so he's pretty happy at the moment. So I'm going to turn you around again and we're going to have some more looks. So you can see guys, we've got the Spitfires, all of it. You've got all the different bars. There's the big bar that we've just been talking about. Fish and chip bar, carvery, sweets, treats, all the rest of it.
Bring your family, your picnic, look, and just sit and bring your chairs.
Yep. And away you go.
Lovely day out.
And a look in, we've got a bit of blue sky. Just zoom in over here. So you can see this. So guys, just going to show you this as we come over here. Right, so here in the distance, guys, you have the double. I'll zoom you in just very slightly. There it is there. And Steve's good lady was going to pay him a nice little ride in the sky.
Yeah,
You still 40?
40th birthday, I was going to go up in that, and you actually get to fly. There you go.
So guys, as we carry on,
No, you think coming in, then the same people, and it's either late in the day or a Sunday, you get to see the same. As soon as you turn up, I'm like, here we go. I've got him. I thought, anything back to Britain, I've got him.
as we walk around, quite like the style of that one there, look.
Yeah, zooming on the prices.
So these are the sort of prices you're paying, guys. £650.
Oh, you will. Pick your stuff up.
So sorry about the reflection, that can't be helped. So just giving you a rough idea. Something like this, you're looking minimum 800 quid.
Yeah,
That's absolutely crazy.
they're the top-notch jobs.
So guys, just to let you know, Steve has found a bar. He's drinking his Spitfire. I'm going to turn you around because now I'm having mine as well. Cheers. So guys, we're just sitting here having a pint. What do you reckon so far, Steve?
Lovely jubbly.
So far my experience is great. Obviously we're waiting for all the aircraft and everything as we speak.
I spent 70 quid.
It's worth it though, mate. Got him a pint, got him a burger. He's a happy boy. Guys, I've just walked into the toilets and this is what you got on the toilet walls. Women looking down at your urinals on the pictures. As I'm waiting, you have a tank just here, look. I'll just zoom in so you can see it. There's your tank. And if you want to see this tank, it's at the front entrance here. As I turn you around, toilets are just here. In the moment we're going to be over here. We're going to be looking at all the different air show plane bits and all the rest of it. As I said to you before, I hope you're enjoying the video and let's do some more. Yeah. Yeah. That's it. So I think they're here, around about here somewhere. Guys, you're loving it. He's loving it. I'm loving it. It's all good.
Not nearly as close as a red arrow.
That's it.
10 feet in the air, and the curve he's gone out what to do something.
Yeah. So he's basically over here, guys.
was a lad.
Guys, that what we just watched was known as a Strike Masters Pairs. Hopefully I've got a bit of camera footage. Very hard to obviously record, but this man here, he's loving every single minute of it.
Next lot is Beechcraft Stagger Wing Display.
There you go, you heard that here.
Probably coming from the right again.
Yep, from right to left.
That's
So we've got another one, as you can see here, just coming in.
yeah, I'm normally looking behind here.
Yeah. So we're just taking a walk along, guys.
All the plugs are clean and it's firing.
All the different aircraft.
The magnetos are
See all in the
giving their
distance.
best charge and there's plenty of fuel flow.
Zoom in so you can see a few. There you go.
The best. Now notice a retractable undercarriage. It's fairly new in the 1930s. Hydraulic systems were just being developed, giving the aircraft less drag as it climbs. And the Walter Beech's thinking with the wing configuration, with the upper wing staggered behind the lower, the idea being the unique shape maximise pilot visibility and reduce interference drag between the wings. In other words, making the aeroplane more efficient. Let's take a look as she comes round. Today. Very complex aeroplane. The aeroplane was sold to Australia, Bolivia, Brazil, China, Ethiopia, Finland, Netherlands, New Zealand, Spain, and of course the Royal Air Force had several of these in the Naval Air Squadron. So there's a little bit of history there.
Guys, as I well, I hope you're enjoying the content. I'm trying very hard to film as much as I can with it. Bearing in mind they are doing dramatic speeds at time. So just appreciate everything. Give it a little thumbs up again. Hit the notification bell every time I do a video. Let's carry on.
And there we get an opportunity. And if you've got your spotting insert, this aircraft is registered as Golf Bravo Romeo Victor Echo.
Oh, but it's down. There we go, beautiful.
So we say a big thank you, of course, to the Fighter Collection and Datsun, who look after these wonderful vintage aircraft, many of which we're going to see today at Headcorn. Training, and as we learned earlier, gunnery training. Aviation didn't really get. There we are, a little waggle of the wings. How about that? Lovely. Show your appreciation. Wonderful. We'll pass it on. Wow. Well done. Nice one. So if you just go back to we will change this aircraft for a 4-engined Flying Fortress. And we will be seeing him later on. Here at the Aero Legends 2023 Battle of Britain show. The Bouchon 109 is taxiing out.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I'm not sure, guys, if this one here is going to be starting up.
As we set the scene for this.
There's old Stevie Room again on the walk.
This airspace above from my very young age, 1920, when I was at school at university. It's also worth remembering that another pilot from the Commonwealth joined the.
So I'm not sure, guys, if this one is going to be firing up in a minute or this one here.
And near Luton Dungeness, we can see the big sound mirrors that were developed. They were thought these huge concrete devices could reflect the sound of approaching aircraft.
how much the wind is when these aircraft here are doing what they're doing.
difficult to
Hopefully you're loving it. Remember, hit the like button, hit the notifications down below, do everything you do. Thanks for the support.
you would think that it looks to the Williams about the open space, efficient turning in combat at high speed.
Coming back in now, guys, just over here. Basically, the wing of this aircraft, this Spitfire, is absolutely out of this world.
Even been like 5 years close to that. That's really stuff. Probably because I've got the other one's going to come in. Well, he's not there before, so if I park on the same way, he won't come as close as that one. That's one. He won't anything closer than that.
Well done, sir. How did that make you feel? Enjoy your flight? Thank you, sir. That's it, sir.
That's bloody good fun. It's got a gun sight, that Spitfire, so I had it on the 109 when he put his smoke on. It doesn't get better than that.
Did the old dugga.
I did all of that. Yeah, no, she's lovely. Very cool. You enjoy that? Yeah, of course. You've been a very sticky hot Spitfire pilot. Don't be alarmed.
Was doing 60 knots, the second 70, and the final one 80. And so they've closed up. They're now coming past right to left in box formation. And this will be worth a photo. Quite blustery conditions today. These are very light aircraft, so to inform us these lightly regular aircraft, they describe us being crisp packets in close formation. This is very much the Western hard way. It's a collection of pilots who got something over 20,000 fly hours. They've flown supersonic, they've flown all around the world, and yet they cannot choose to do this, because this is real flying. Very like these aircraft have no starter motor. You want to see them throwing the propellers by hand, all like you would in a model aircraft. They have no flaps, they have no brakes, they have no fuel pump. That's so simple. Here they come, right to left, in box formation.
Guys, this is for Steve's good lady. This is known as the Spitfire bit. I'm going to turn you around and show you right now. Take a look. So this here, it's obviously 162 pounds, where you can sit in comfort. I'll zoom you in so you see this a bit. And here,
Into the elements and as attacking aircraft, they would fire their machine guns in defence. These are very short flares as they come in. And we're just going to enjoy the sound of those lovely Arabian engines. For geographical reasons, of course, East Anglia and Essex became the base for these aircraft because of its proximity. Courtesy of the Aero Legends 2023 Battle of Britain Air Show, pretty rare sight we're going to enjoy this afternoon. Okay, well, one orbit just to position, and then they'll come running in. Just want to position themselves ideally so we can really enjoy the profiles of these two airplanes, these two rare, beautifully maintained aircraft. The 17 was the daylight bomber that the United States made regular forays into Germany. Daylight raids are extremely dangerous, fraught with danger. Focke-Wulf 190s, I think, were their principal enemy. A lot of the American pilots shot down ended up in the Stalags. Spent the rest of the war in the cooler. Here we go. So once again, Aero Legends proudly present the C-47, the B-17 Sally B.
happy camper, look. Dinky Donuts. Camp cool in one hand. Donut in the other. Airplane flying over.
Got a team of volunteers that keep Sally B going. Club members, there's a subscription. Here comes a money shot for you. As you can appreciate, it's a very expensive job keeping vintage airplane like this. If I could urge you to Google Sally B, you can see the subscription and members page if you'd like to get involved. You'd be most welcome. And thank you once again for all the work she does, and Peter piloting today to keep this magnificent aeroplane on display for us to appreciate. And long may she continue. Here's your last pair of video shots. The last pass for Sally B, as you can see. My goodness, that's the triple D. Sally B 17 Flying Fortress, courtesy of Aero Legends, here at the 2023 Battle of Britain showround Headcorn.
Hope you enjoyed that. As the gentleman said, that's Sally B. So Steve, you happy with your Sally B?
Yeah, man.
He's a happy boy.
Got a couple of Spitfires winding up now, look.
Very good. So I hope you guys, as I said to you before, I've made his day today. I'm going to put it on YouTube. Hit the notification bell. Hit the little thumbs up.
Lovely, lovely.
So you're having to wear the Spitfires here are now going off again for their next flight. Now we've got the third one over here. Yeah, right.
Unmistakable whistle coming off the prop.
So guys, if you made it to the end of the video, thanks very much for that. Remember, like and subscribe, and we'll see you again next time. Bye for now.